What's up vlog? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, nandito si Jomar kasi nagtampo yung B14. Atras mo na mo. So he's gonna be using my B14 kasi hindi na siya nagamit, medyo nagtampo. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung tip, guys. Konti lang atras, Bo. Sige, atras. Hop. Yan. Pag meron nagli-leak ng ganyan, guys, it means merong leak yung makina nyo. But in this case, coolant lang siya. So, that's just the bypass hose. Basta yun. Kita nyo mamaya. Yun, meron nagli-leak. So we're gonna fix it. No need to panic kasi bypass hose lang yun for the coolant. Siguro medyo luma na yung hose or what. Basta yun. Alright, go ahead, Bo.
Let's go.
Una ka kasi baka maubos yung coolant.
Hindi ako dun, Uncle.
Petron CCC. Susunod ako doon. You see that? Check mo check mo. Alright, let's go. It's so nice seeing your car being driven by someone else. It looks really good. Anyways, I'm gonna tell you guys some tips later para if you have like a 90s car or your first time car owners, merong makaka-knowledge kayo about like some tips on how to maintain your car and what to look for, like to troubleshoot them. What's up vlog? So andito na tayo sa Petron. Tapos natanggalan natin yung hose. Yan. Ito yung hose doon sa bypass. So you see that crack? Yun. Yan. Kaya siya nagli-leak. Sino nagtanggal nun? Ikaw? Nax. Ito si Mel. Pinakamalapit kong tropa. Saan tayo bibili dito ngayon?
Tingin ka. Ito. Yan o. Dalawa.
Dalawa pala yung butas, guys.
Yan na luha.
Chick. See? Easy fix. So kailangan na natin bumili nitong hose na to. So nakabili na kami. Puputulin na lang dito, di ba? Sukatin mo nga ganyan. Same. Oh yeah. Tapos puputulin na lang natin dito. Chicks. Sige. Ano yung drain buong coolant?
Hindi, ayun lang.
Meron naman ako doon. Madami akong coolant. Alright, and we'll be back. Iiwanan ko lang dito. And it's gonna text me when it's done. Bam! Lunch break. Hindi ka nagla-lunch break, pare?
Inigahan ko nga.
Wala ka bang pa-lunch? You get to drive, Bo. Okay, so iwanan muna natin yung P40 natin, guys. Jommer's gonna be driving the coupe. What's up? Later papakita ko sa inyo, guys, kung ano yung sinasabi ko para magkaroon kayo ng konting knowledge about what to expect pag merong engine leaks and whatnot. Right now, bibili muna kami ng KFC. Lunch break. What's up, vlog? So we are back. Tapos na ni Mel gawin yung aking B14. So papakita niyo muna sa akin kung tunay talagang, kung ginawa niya ba talaga. Tapos ginasgasan niya yung mugs ko.
Alright.
Joke. Alright. Nandun yung hose, guys. So, okay na siya. Hindi nyo makikita kasi madilim, pero kita ko.
May langis lang talaga.
Oo. Nice and dry. All good.
Good. Ayos.
Ayos. Magkano yun? Bypass hose, bro.
Sige, balak namin hiriyan ng mga dyan.
Alin?
Sabi, kasi puntahan na alas 8. Naisip namin talagang mahirap. Tuhod nga talaga.
We just spent 400 pesos lang for the labor kasi kailangan naka-lifter. So, abante lang ni Jomar, my homie. Thank you so much, bro, for coming out. Woo! Sobrang init, guys. So, we are done with the B14. Na-maintenance na natin yung B14. Nakakatuwa lang kasi syempre may tropa tayo na pwedeng makasama. Tapos iniwan namin yung B14 sa Petron while we're doing some work. Ginagawa din yung B14 sa Petron habang nagde-deliver naman kami outside. So yeah, pays to have good friends that you can trust, you know, you get to be with. You get to help him out, he gets to help me out. Ganun lang. That's what life is about, helping each other out. Anyways, we're going back to the house. We're gonna park the... I'm gonna park the coupe kasi I wanna use the B14. Kasi kanina gagamitin ko dapat tapos biglang shit, meron palang leaks. So yeah, nagtampo siguro. Minsan kasi nagtatampo yung mga sasakyan eh. Ganun talaga. Anyways, I'll see you guys at home and I'll teach you guys some tips. Peace out. So what's up vlog? We are back home. And dito sa harap natin is motor oil, coolant, at saka transmission fluid. Parehas lang naman yung ang manual at saka yung matic. At saka sa power steering, ganito din. Transmission, power steering, ito din. So bakit nasa harapan natin yan guys? Kasi I'll show you something. If ever first time car owners kayo, tapos umalis kayo sa parking, always look sa floor ng garahe nyo kung may tulo. That way malalaman nyo kung anong yung like sira ng sasakyan nyo. For example, may tulo na color yellow. Yan. Sa engine may problema yan. So you have to have your engine check. Pag color yellow. Pag may tulo ng kulay green, bus na yata ang coolant ko eh. Yan. Sa cooling system may problema yung sasakyan. Pag may tulo na kulay red, of course, understood. Oops, dami. Understood na it's either your transmission or your power steering has a problem. So color-coded lahat dyan para malaman mo. So next time before you leave the house, pag alas nyo ng garahe, check nyo agad kung may mga color na tumutulo or may mga fluids na tumutulo. Wala tayong brake fluid eh. Ang brake fluid color yellow. So, yellow nga ba? White din, magaganon.
Yung oil kadalasan ay black na kasi.
Yun. So, sabi ng tropa ko from AE92, syempre gamit nyo na yung oil. Pag tumulo yan, color black na. That's true. So, yung brake fluid at saka yung clutch fluid, iisa ang kulay nun. Kasi ang brake fluid, pwede din sa clutch fluid. Alright guys, hope that helps. So that's it, peace out, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Pero lalabas muna natin yung B14 kasi na-miss ko i-drive. Let's go! Alright, so let's start the B14. So alam nyo na guys, I hope meron kayo natutunan ng mga tips. Para hindi kayo mag-panic if ever you see na something leaking. Shit, where's my keys? Nasa loob din yung susi. Akala ko kinuha mo, dude. Woo! Muntik na po ma-lock out ang coupe. Okay, anyways. So ito yung labor natin sa kanina. Labor bypass hose, 400 pesos. Alright. Yun kasi guys ang kadalasan pumuputok or nagkaka-crack yung bypass kasi nasa likod and it's really really hot sa likod ng makina. The others are exposed so naglilinis nyo, napupunasan nyo and everything. Alright, so let's go. Siyempre, bago tayo bumalik sa bahay, we're gonna buy some pasalubong for my daughter, Anisha. Diba? Kahit ano pa yan, basta may pasalubong ka, it's all good. Kasi namimiss na niya yung pupunta ako sa work, tapos pag uwi ko sa bahay, may mga pasalubong. Yun. Okay, let's check it out.
Good afternoon po. May parang pass po ba sila frontliner ID?
Yes, merong quarantine pass. Pa-order naman ako ng Happy Meal.